Hi everybody, welcome to my kitchen. My friends and I have been talking about rules. I know, you know all about rules. There are rules at home, rules at school. Sometimes you go places and there are rules posted for everyone to follow. But have you ever heard about hidden rules? The ones that are not specifically stated, but you're just supposed to figure them out on your own? Those are actually some of the most important rules of all, especially when it comes to making and keeping friends. So today, we're cooking up a lesson on growing friendships, recognizing hidden friendship rules. At recess, you might hear some of the same rules over and over again.
Go down the slide! Stay away from the windows!
But what about hidden rules? The ones you're supposed to figure out on your own. What if you're not sure about the expected way to behave at a certain time or in a certain place? You can usually figure that out by thinking with your eyes. That means you look around and watch what most of the other people are doing. That will usually give you some clues about the expected way to act at that time. When you match your behavior to what's expected, you're following the hidden rules. Let's take a look at some hidden rules for joining group games at recess.
Number 1, play the game already in progress.
If a group is having fun and you join in, it is expected that you play the game already in progress. That keeps the fun going for everyone. But if you join in and then you complain about the game or try to change what the group is playing.
Can I play with you guys? I don't like this game. Can we just play tag instead?
That's unexpected. When you act in unexpected ways, you make the game less fun for everyone.
Number 2, follow the rules agreed upon by the group.
If you're not sure what the rules are, try thinking with your eyes. Watch the game from the sidelines for a bit before joining in.
If the ball hits the line, you're out.
Once you do join in, it's not okay to change the rules when things aren't going your way.
Wait, that didn't count. I want to start over.
Trying to change the rules is an unexpected way to behave.
Number 3, stay calm when things don't go your way.
When you join a game, it is expected that you stay reasonably calm when you get tagged or when you get out or when you lose the game, even if you're feeling disappointed. This is also called being a good sport. Try something like this.
You're right. Okay.
Instead of,
You miss me. I'm not it. I quit.
that is unexpected.
Number 4, don't ruin the fun for others.
It is not okay to try to get the attention of your friends by wrecking up their game. Interrupting the flow of a game by doing something like stealing the ball and running away is not adding fun to the game. That's an unexpected behavior. It ruins the fun for everyone and causes others to have lots of uncomfortable thoughts and feelings about you. Knowing some of the hidden rules at recess will make it easier to understand what is expected so that you can have fun with a group of friends. This week, Try thinking with your eyes to figure out some hidden rules. Then match your behavior to what is expected. See how this can help keep the fun going. And I'll see you next time.